else, all your grip strength, majority of your muscles in your hand are controlled by the ulnar nerve. So the pinky side. So what we're going to do is we're going to break down now all of the muscles that are controlled in each compartment. The shoulder is probably the easiest. We'll do that one first. The shoulder has a triangular shaped muscle. What is it called? It's called a deltoid. In addition to the deltoid, I have one of the sits muscles from the rotator cuff group. And it's a tiny little muscle that's round. What is it called? Teres Minor. So you need to know these because I might ask something like, okay, what nerve controls the deltoid muscle or the anterior or the shoulder, muscles of the shoulder? And you have to say axillary. Musculocutaneous, that one's pretty easy, right? What are the three muscles of the anterior arm? It's the BBC, right? It's the British Broadcasting Channel. BBC, which was brachialis. Doesn't matter the order, bicep brachii, coracobrachialis. So let's do median second because this one is easier. Radial tires are the best. Radial tires are the best. Radial tires are the best. So B, E, S, T. Radial tires are the best. Brachioradialis. Next one, extensors. We don't have to name all the extensors. We just have to know the extensors, right? An example would be extensor digitorum is controlled by the radial nerve. And then sup is up, so the supinator. And the three-headed muscle in the back of the arm is triceps brachii. So let's do the opposite. Everything that it's an extensor is found in the back. So what is controlled by the median? All the flexors. Right? We don't have to name them. You guys should be able to recognize it, right? And then if it's not the supinator, it's the pronator. So the two pronators. And we're going to keep it as simple as that. What about the median nerve inside the hand? Well, it's the thumb, and it's off. And that is opponens, abductor, pollicis brevis, and flexor pollicis brevis. And in addition to that, it's the first three lumbricals. And you guys can remember that, right? Because the first three lumbricals are basically your little M. So whenever you have carpal tunnel syndrome and you crush or damage the median nerve, you put pressure on this nerve and you start to lose, or they call it Pienaar Eminence atrophy. So that means that the muscles under the thumb start to get weak, they start to become atrophied and flattened. So you tend to have this kind of look to it.